Welcome back to the channel. This is ZX300 Black Car 1991, and today I'm taking you through a detailed look at the legendary 1991 ZX300 in its striking black finish. This car is more than just a vintage machine, it's a statement from an era when performance, style, and engineering were evolving rapidly. The black color on this 1991 model gives it a bold, confident attitude, and as we walk around it, the design still holds its place among some of the most admired sports cars of its time. The exterior of the 1991 ZX300 has an unforgettable shape that blends sharp lines with smooth curves. The black paint highlights every contour of the body, giving it a strong presence whether parked or in motion. At the front, the low-slung nose and aerodynamic profile give it a purposeful, focused expression. The headlights, with their classic layout, maintain that clean and timeless look. Moving along the sides, the wide stance becomes even more noticeable, and the flared fenders give the car a performance-ready posture. The black finish makes everything look tighter, sleeker, and more aggressive. Even after all these years, the paint still reflects a character of confidence and sporting spirit. The wheels sit perfectly under the body, adding to the car's athletic look, and the overall proportions show just how ahead of its time this model really was. Shifting into the performance side, the 1991 ZX300 was known for delivering power, balance, and driving confidence. Under the hood, it came with a capable engine that offered both smoothness and excitement. Even by today's standards, the performance feels engaging, with strong acceleration and a responsive throttle that makes every drive enjoyable. The car was engineered to feel planted on the road, and that holds true even decades later. The rear-wheel drive layout adds a pure and authentic sports car sensation, while the suspension setup provides a mix of comfort and sharp handling. Whether you're cruising along a straight road or taking on tighter curves, the ZX300 maintains a stability that gives the driver confidence. The steering feels direct and connected, giving you a sense of control that many modern cars try to replicate. The engine note carries that classic mechanical feel, nothing artificial, just pure analog performance that reminds you why cars from this era are still celebrated by enthusiasts around the world. As the car gets up to speed, it delivers a consistent pull, and the powertrain works with a precision that shows the attention to detail in its engineering. The gearbox shifts smoothly, allowing the driver to stay engaged with the performance while still enjoying a comfortable driving experience. The overall performance package reflects a time when cars were built with a strong focus on driver enjoyment, and the 1991 ZX300 embodies that philosophy perfectly. Now stepping briefly inside, the interior of the 1991 ZX300 continues the same sporty theme. The cabin is designed with the driver in mind, featuring a cockpit-style layout that places all controls within easy reach. The black color of the exterior works well with the interior styling, giving it a unified, cohesive look. The seats provide good support and a comfortable driving position, and the dashboard carries that classic simple layout that is both functional and appealing. The gauges are clear, easy to read, and reflect the era's focus on essential driving information. Although it's an older model, the interior still holds a level of charm and personality that modern interiors sometimes lack. Everything inside feels purposeful, and despite its age, the materials and layout remind you that this was a car built to connect the driver with the road. This 1991 ZX300 in black remains an icon of its era, a car that blends timeless exterior design, impressive performance, and a focused interior experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned on ZX300 Black Car 1991 for more classic car content.